What's up, everybody? I am back, and we're gonna start a new series about building the hybrid for this car right here. And I got one of the most important parts for the build, and I'm gonna show you what I got right now. This is a little late start because I already split the case and everything, but it's clean. I will show you right now. And something just came in the mail, so this is just gonna be a unboxing video for you guys. Check it out. So what we have here is a 2011 STI short block. I already disassembled the whole thing. EJ25. I already disassembled the whole thing because it's ready. I'm gonna put new pistons. I'm gonna put new rods, new crank, and the pistons that I got, they're specially made for the hybrid build. The hybrid build means putting the 2.0 heads into the 2.5 short block. So let me show you what I got. So I got the block all clean, it's ready to go, ready to be assembled, but I'm still waiting on some more parts. This is what I got here that I'm gonna show you guys. These are the old pistons and stuff like that laying around here. But let me show you what I got here in the box. Stay tuned. Oh yeah. So we've got here connecting rods, mainly connecting rods, rated for 600 horsepower. And we got some JE forged pistons, specially made for the hybrid. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So you see what I'm talking about? The dome on these pistons right here are deeper, so it'll match the compression that we need for the hybrid. Yeah, I got some, okay. Oh yeah, this is what we need right here. That's what we need right there. Okay. There's no sense taking the other ones out. We already know what they look like, but they are so badass. Nice. So these are the wrist pins. Wrist pins in here. Piston rings for it. See the connecting rods here. Oh yeah. Tells you the weight, the total weight, big end, pin end, and it shows you the weight here also. Let's open one up. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here they are, guys. Here they are. Ah, what a beauty. See that? Nice. All right. I am mad. Oh man. right, so next thing that's on the way, it's the crank. So when it gets here, I'll probably do an unboxing for you guys. Maybe, why not? You know, it's brand new, beautiful. It's a heat treated. I heard that heat treated is better than nitrate treated. So I got a heat treated crank, OEM, brand new for the STI block. So stay tuned for that, guys. See you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing these videos. Peace.